Good night, Miss Marjorie. My name is Edgardo Ramos Valverde. Come from Cerro de Pasco. My parents also were born in the city. I am teacher profession. 27 years working in this specialty of language literature. Married 8 years ago, I have 2 kids. I also love the locution in the radio. Most of my studies I do on my land. Very young father was an orphan. I am the second of 6 children. Was very hard for me. My past I prefer not to remember a trauma. I am very emotional. Many years ago, I struggled with achieving mastery. I would be very happy because the English could not do. I plan to have my own school where mostly imparting values and a more parental involvement in education of love and their children. Continuing praying to God to give Nigel and my family. Thank you very much. God bless.